Today we are going to be creating symmetrical creatures. We've already talked about symmetry at this point, so now in this video I'm going to show you some simple ways to create a symmetrical creature. As you see, I'm using a smaller sheet of paper. You'll have a much larger sheet of paper. This is just for video purposes. You'll have a bunch of different colors of paper to choose from. You can use all the different colors, or you can just choose a few. To start off with, to create a symmetrical shape, you need to fold your large sheet of paper in half. And if you notice along this fold line, see how it's folded, it doesn't open? This side opens. When we cut and we draw our shapes, we need to draw them along the folded line. So first I need to make a body. To make a body, you can do an organic shape or you can do a geometric shape. You will draw your shape, and remember, these are creatures, so they're not meant to look perfect and normal. They're meant to look a little goofy. Once I draw my shape, I'm going to cut it out. And now that I've cut my shape out, you see the fold is here. When I open it, it is symmetrical, meaning it's the same on this side as it is on this side. I'm going to go ahead. I really like that shape, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue that down. You are not going to glue your shapes down right away. You're going to glue your shapes down once you get all of your shapes cut out and figure out where you'd like to place them. Okay, so there's my body. And I might use orange. You can see I've already cut out some antennas on this one, but I think first I need a head before I add anything else. So once again, not on my open side, but on my folded side, I'm going to draw a shape. I want my head to be a little less organic and a little more geometric. So I've drawn a half circle. I'm going to cut that out. And now I'm going to open it. And there's my head. The fun part about this is you get to use all different kinds of shapes and you get to be very creative in how you're doing it. For my eyeballs, if you notice, I still drew it along the folded line, but then I cut it so that I had two. They were separated, but they were two exact same shapes. So I'll do that again. For my eyes this time, I think I want a diamond shape. So right now I have one shape, but since I need two eyes, I'm going to cut that right in half along that folded line. So now I have two of the exact same shapes, and I'm going to put those on my paper. I think I want to do it this way. Make sure when you're gluing, you're not using a ton of glue. Remember, it doesn't take much. See? Just a little bit of glue. We don't want the glue to squish out of the paper. Okay, then I need my pupils. I have done that same thing again. I did a circle and I cut it along the line. I want my pupils to be big this time. So I kind of cut that out. As you can see, I'm cutting along the fold. So it's just like layering two sheets of paper together. And I understand some of you may not be the best at using scissors, but that's okay. That's why this is fun, because you can use any kind of shape to create anything. There's one eyeball. There's my other eyeball. So as you can see, the more shapes that you add, the more colorful your creature is. I feel like he needs something to go along his neck, so I've drawn just kind of a weird wing shape. I'm going to cut that out. Once again, making sure that I've drawn that on the folded line so that when I open it, it looks something like this. After I put this down, I think he needs a mouth. So right now it looks like he just has kind of a mask on. There's all kinds of different things that you can do to create. And this is all the further I'll go. I will let you look at my example up at the board, and you may also look at the example up here as I finish it. I hope you enjoyed my video.